Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 3, welcome you in your English class. I am your English teacher, Sana Arif. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to boost up your imagination, organize your thoughts in form of an essay, and you will improve your creative writing. Today's topic is essay writing. So before we start our topic, you should know that what is an essay. It means a short piece of writing on a particular topic. After knowing that what is an essay, you should know that how many parts does an essay have. An essay have 3 parts. First part is introductory paragraph. In your introductory paragraph, you discuss about generally the topic. Second is your body paragraph. In body paragraph, sometimes you have 2 paragraphs or sometimes you have more than 2 or 3 paragraphs. And then at last, you write down your conclusion. Last paragraph, in this you sum up your ideas or thoughts and close up the topic by sometimes your opinion and sometimes generally you close up your topic. And while you're writing your essay, you should keep one thing in your mind, that you should write down your essay in simple present tense. Our today's topic is bank. But before we start writing an essay, you should make a spider diagram or web diagram, like you can watch it on the screen, that whatever ideas are coming in your mind according to the topic, you have to write it down on a rough paper. Like you can watch this picture about bank, whatever came in my mind, I have made this web diagram and I have written all my thoughts, I have put all my thoughts on the paper. And after watching this, you can also make a web diagram about the bank yourself too. The first thing which came in my mind is this, that it is a social institute, right? We are having many social institutes and one of them is bank. And all these social institutes are having different duties to perform. The most important duty we think about bank is that we can deposit money in the bank and then we can withdraw it anytime. Bank can give us loan, and what else? Yes, we can save our money in the bank. Very good. And bank provides profit on that money, whatever we deposit there. Like bank performs monetary services and no one can deny from its importance. There are different types of banks. Some are commercial bank, agricultural banks, etc. Right? And they give us ATM cards, debit and credit cards. They have made our life more easier. Dear students, after brainstorming, the picture you are watching, I am repeating that thing, that picture you are watching is brainstorming. Whatever ideas came in your mind, you have put them on the paper. After doing this activity, you have to do what? Let's watch. After brainstorming, you have to arrange and organize your thoughts and ideas, right? You have to write them in sentences and then compose paragraphs. For that, be focused. Use correct vocabulary. Use correct grammar and sentence structure. After composing your essay, must review it. Remove clumsy ideas and structures. If you find out something like it's not looking good, there is some repetition of the sentence or a word or any idea, or you think that it is irrelevant, you should watch it very carefully, read it very carefully and remove that flaw from the paragraph. And go through each and every line. right? After that, compose your essay. Dear students, I hope after watching this video you will be able to write an essay on given topic independently and easily. Next, I'm going to share a model lesson, like a model essay on this topic about bank, and we will also share this essay in your Google Classroom in PDF forms too. After making my web, I have written this essay. Let's read it. Bank, buildings and institutes are very important for us. They play a vital role in our social life. They also represent our ethical values. They provide services to our life better, to make our life better. Government make these institutes in every locality. Sometimes they are private, mosque, post office, school, hospitals, etc. are some of them. Banks are institutes that provide loan or save customers money. They are an integral part of our society. They provide multiple services like lockers, ATM services, money transfers, loan for house and businesses, and many other monetary services. Customers can open saving or current accounts in the bank for saving their money and can withdraw it whenever they want to. Banks also invest money, like I have started my last paragraph, conclusion. Bank also invests money in different businesses and provide the profit to its customers. They also provide insurance policies to their customers for their safe and prosperous future. Banks are of different types like commercial bank, agriculture bank, central bank, etc. And they may deal in a specific fields. For example, an agriculture bank will deal with the monetary business related to agriculture. Banks can also be government or private, but they make sure to serve safety for their customers' money and property. Yes, students, I have written, after my making my web diagram, I have written this small essay on the topic bank. The next task is your homework, right? Write an essay on the topic hospital. I hope, like I have taught you well, that you can write down any essay on social institutes like hospital, bank, school, post office by yourself. You have to keep all the steps in your mind and go step by step. I hope you can easily write down a very good essay, right? And I have tried my level best to make essay writing an easy and interesting task for you. So what was your homework? Your homework is write an essay on the topic hospital. Thank you so much. At the end I would say, stay home and stay safe.